Today is Monday, April 19th, 2021. We're at 3135 Wendover Road out in Troy. As you can see, we're at the main clean out. As you can see, they put a bushing in. And there was a sump pump that was tied in. This used to have a torpedo pump in it. We're going to do a diagnostic televise of the sanitary sewer. There has been some root issues, so we're going to look at the sewer to make sure everything structurally is okay at this time. We are currently running a centering guide that will help us get a little better view. Okay, we're going to pause to get our lens clear. Okay, we've got our lens clear. Here you can see this is where the storm and sanitary come together. This is a 4-inch cast iron that leads outside of the house. And here you can see we transition over to the 6-inch clay tile. You can see a bit of calcite buildup at this joint. As you can see here as well, we hold just a slight bit of water at the bottom. This is common in clay sewers. Due to the sections of the clay pipe being in 3-foot sections, a lot of times it caused a lot of them to have little drops in them, which created bellies which hold just a little bit of water. Again, here you can see a small amount of calcite buildup at the joint. Again, here you can see we have these next two joints, a little bit larger amounts of calcite that's building up. Still nothing that's going to be in the way of flow at this time. Again, you can see this joint and the joint just upstream of us, again with a small amount of calcite buildup along the top. Again, as you can see here, we have water buildup again. You can see this water is a little bit deeper than it has been in the rest of the sewer. The sewer does go out the front of the house. Also, the sewer does go out across the street. As you can see here, we have water that's fairly deep. You can see we have a larger amount of calcite at this joint, and you can see some of it now is down more into the flow area. Again, you can see we have water here to where we're actually The camera head is currently underwater. We are going to continue with our televise. We are going to continue to televise out to the city main. Okay, here you can see we're starting to come back out of the water again. You can see it's right about the level of our camera, which is going to be right around 2 inches. And here you can see we have a heavy infiltration of roots. Okay, we may have to pull back. We may have to remove the centering guide. We may not be able to get through. As you can see, this area is quite a ways out. This is possibly either under the street or across the street. We are going to try see if we can't get by with the centering guide. Okay, we will pull back at this time. We will continue to record. Our next recording will be without the centering guide. As you can see here, it looks like up on the left, it's hard to tell if that's a crack that's in the pipe or if that's just because of the root infiltration. Again, we will record as we pull back, and then we will go ahead and try another video without the centering guide to see if we can get to the city main.